Shlok 27 of chapter 1.
Samikshya kaunteya sarvan bandhun avastitan krupaya parayavishto vishidanidam abravit.
Samiksha sarvan tan bandhun avasthitan. After closely inspecting all those relatives standing, Sa Kaunteya Avishto Parya Kripaya, that son of Mother Kunti was filled with great compassion. Abravit idam vishidan, he said this with sorrow. Samiksha sarvan tan bandhun avasthitan Sa Kaunteya Avishto Parya Kripaya, Abravit idam vishidan. Interpretation. After closely inspecting with a sentimental heart all those relatives standing ready for the religious war, that Arjun, son of Mother Kunti, was completely filled with great compassion out of attachment to all of them, and in the remembrance of their immediate destruction, he said this with sorrow.